Sashiko has always been about turning something simple into something meaningful, and this little bookmark is proof that big technique can live in a small project. Here's what you'll need: John James Long Darner's needles, Presencia 12-weight thread, a Colonial palm thimble, a Roxanne Quilter's Choice marking pencil, a clear quilting ruler, and a small piece of double-sided fusible. We're using a scrap of lightweight denim, unpicked from a thrifted garment hem, because we love a good frayed edge. If you prefer yours cleaner, just trim before you start. We used fabric cut 2 inches by 8 inches for both the front and the backing. Using your Roxanne White Quilter's Choice marking pencil, mark a 1/4 inch grid across the front. Keep that pencil sharp, and if your fabric is dark, a damp tip helps the line show up clean. Now for the thimble. Slide the ring section over your middle finger and let the dimpled palm section sit right in your palm. There are no hoops here. It's all hand tensioning, pinching the fabric between your thumb and middle finger as you stitch. Thread up with a generous length, fold it in half so the loop end goes through your needle, and tie a simple needle knot at the tail. Now we get to start stitching. If you're like us, you might find it easier to draw the stitch pattern on top of your grid. In this stitch pattern, your stitches stop just short of every intersection, leaving that quiet little gap where nothing touches. Bring your needle up, take a small bite, skip 2, and repeat down the row. Once your horizontal and vertical lines are stitched, it's time for the fun part, the diagonals. These create the starburst pattern that gives this design its personality. Anchor the eye of your needle in the dimples of your thimble. Gently rock the fabric onto the needle, then slide the thread through the fabric as you go. Once your stitching is done, trim your backing fabric to match and cut a piece of double-sided fusible stabilizer just slightly smaller than that. Iron it in place, tucking in any stray thread ends first. A tiny dab of Roxanne glue stick keeps loose loops from popping out while you press. To finish off your bookmark, we suggest you add a line of running stitches around the edge of your bookmark, stitching through both layers of fabric. When you're ready to finish, skip the knot, flip your work over, and take a few tiny half back stitches through just one layer of fabric. Then run your needle between the layers to hide the tail completely. Last step, wash your bookmark gently to remove your pencil lines. Watch them disappear completely and let those edges fray just a little more in the process. And there it is, a sturdy little reminder that the smallest projects can still hold all the character of the craft.